Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will show you how to check Apple ID login devices. So let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone or iPad and find the Settings app. It looks like a gear icon, usually found on your home screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate your name and Apple ID at the top. Tap on it to proceed. In the Apple ID menu, you'll see various options like iCloud, iTunes, and App Store, and more. Now, you'll see a list of all the devices that are currently signed in with your Apple ID. This includes your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and any other Apple devices. Take a moment to review the list and ensure that you recognize all the devices. If you see any unfamiliar devices, it's crucial to take action to secure your account. You can remove any device from your account by tapping on it and selecting Remove from Account. And that's it. You've successfully checked the devices logged into your Apple ID. Remember to regularly review this list to maintain your account security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.